Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. I hope you guys are doing fine and shine in your life. So today I'll be discussing about the Coalesce function. So before moving to the Coalesce function, I would just like to talk few things to you. One is please go through my previous lectures, which is on variables, your how to create customer sales last year. You have switch function, you have a dedicated measures table, how to group the different measures under a single folder. Please go through them guys. That will create a base or foundation, and for which you can, or you can say, it will create a base or foundation for you to learn the advanced topics of Power BI. As I move forward, I will I'll start teaching you the advanced topics of Power BI. Okay, right? So today I'll be talking about the Coalesce function. Let's quickly jump in. So Coalesce function you can think of like replacement of if and is blank. Or you can think replacement of is blank. So we have created for customer sales last year, right? If customer sales last year is 0, it will be no sales. If it is not 0, it will be the actual value, correct? I'll show you. um, See this, we have created a variable, right? Or you can say measure. Now instead of doing is blank, you can directly use Coalesce function. Wait, I will show you in this measure itself. So this is my customer sales last year, right? Let it be in uh, working. Fine. So what I will do is first I'll remove this. This was the example for switch function. I'll quickly bring in the date, transaction date, or you can say, did I create a date variable? Uh, yes, I've created a date variable. So this is customer by sales. Now I let me also pull in customer sales. So here, okay. See. So let's quickly create that use that Coalesce function. So it is customer last year, right? I For customer sales last year, no sales. I had to create an extra measure and then impute if plus is, right? If plus is blank. Here I don't have to impute directly. You can directly create a variable and then return the variable using Coalesce function. So I will show you how. This is customer sales last year, where you are taking customer by sales. You are using date at function. Your transaction date, your interval is here, and intervals is -1. So here you can create a variable. Let's say customer sales last year, no sales equal to this. I would return Coalesce function, Coalesce function. Inside the Coalesce function, it will So what does Coalesce function do? It returns the first argument that does not evaluate to blank, and if all arguments evaluate to blank values, blank is returned. So it will basically take in your input, which is customers, return customers sales. It should be CS no. If not, then I would want NA. I think this should work out. Let's see. Did I change this formula? No, this is fine. Okay, since this is connected to this, that's why it's getting changes. Let me pull in this and remove this. See guys, those values which did not have customer sales, that would be marked as NA. Since I have directly imputed that, you can also change it. You can also change it like using this command. So it's basically I have not what I have done is I've created a variable. I've just put the variable declaration and then returned my variable name with a Coalesce function, which will try to see if uh, the CSLYNOS is blank or not. If it is blank, it will return dash dash dash. If it is not blank, it will return the customer by sales for that year. See, it will automatically change. See guys, I told you, right? So for the year, this is, let me sort this also. This is why 2019, it should be sorted. So since 2016 doesn't have any values, it will be no value, but from 2018 you will see 2017's value. Where is it? Let me show you guys. 2508, right? 2508. Let me zoom it so that it is visible for you guys. 2508, correct? Now if I scroll up, first value should be 2508. That's how it is. You can also what do you call, put no previous sales. So it's up to you what you put, but it's just a replacement of if plus is blank. So this is very handy function, guys. So please use this function whenever you're like. So please try to use this function instead of if blank for your complex queries, because it will optimize the code and the performance of the code and would be very much high. Like it will perform very fast. The code will run very fast. So that's it guys for today's lecture. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment, and do share. Keep sharing. Thank you so much.